Objects and fields. Scenario: vehicle inventory system. Your company maintains a fleet of vehicles and wants to track each vehicle in Salesforce. You've been asked to create a custom object named vehicle__C that includes a picklist field for type, car, bike, a dependent picklist for model, based on the type selected, a currency field for price, a picklist for status, available, booked, sold, and a formula field that calculates the discounted price as 10% off the listed price. 2. Validation rules. Scenario 1. Leave date restriction. Employees submit leave requests in Salesforce using a custom object leave_request__C. You need to ensure that users cannot request leave for past dates and that the leave reason field is not left blank. Scenario 2. Employee salary and phone validation. HR maintains employee data in employee__C. You are required to ensure that the salary entered must always be greater than 5,000 and the phone number must be exactly 10 digits using a regex pattern. 3. Page layouts and record types. Scenario: job type layout customization. Your company manages job postings using the job__C object. You need to create two record types, full-time and part-time. Depending on the record type selected, different page layouts should be displayed. Specifically, the salary field should be visible only for full-time jobs and hidden for part-time jobs. 4. Automation, workflow rules and flows. Scenario 1. Escalation email alert. The support team uses the case object. When a case's status is changed to escalated, an automatic email notification should be sent to the support manager. Scenario 2. Task creation on opportunity stage change. The sales team wants a task to be created automatically whenever an opportunity moves to the proposal stage, assigning it to the opportunity owner as a follow-up reminder. Scenario 3. Leave tracking automation. The HR department wants to track the total number of leaves an employee has taken. Whenever a new leave_request__C record is created, the system should update the total _leaves_taken_C field on the related employee record. 5. Reports and dashboards. Scenario: sales dashboard for management. Your manager wants a report showing the number of leads grouped by their source and a dashboard displaying opportunities grouped by stage. The dashboard should also allow filtering based on time frames like this month and this quarter. 6. Security, profiles, roles, sharing. Scenario: department-level access control. Your organization has two departments, sales and hour. You need to create two profiles, sales user and HR user. Sales users should have access to opportunities, but HR users should not. Also, implement a role hierarchy such that CEO greater than manager, executive, and set up appropriate sharing rules to reflect data access based on this hierarchy. 7. Data management. Scenario: bulk student record management. The training department is onboarding students for a new course. You are responsible for importing 50 records into the student__C object using the data import wizard or data loader. You also need to export records where the course selected is Salesforce, update their status to completed, and ensure no duplicate records are inserted by applying matching rules. 8. Approval processes. Scenario: leave request approval flow. Employees submit leave requests in Salesforce. Each request must go through an approval process where the reporting manager reviews and approves or rejects the request. If approved, the system should automatically change the status to approved and notify the employee. If rejected, it should set the status to rejected. 9. App Builder, Lightning Pages. Scenario: HR app development. Your company wants a dedicated Lightning app for HR activities. You've been asked to create an app named HR Management with tabs for employee, job, and leave request objects. You must design the Lightning page to display related report charts and recently accessed records for quick review. 10. Chatter and collaboration. Scenario: project team collaboration. The sales team wants to use Chatter for real-time updates and collaboration on projects. You need to enable Chatter on the project__C object, create a public group for the sales team, and set up a process so that whenever a new project is created, an automatic post is published in the group using Process Builder. 11. Schema Builder. Scenario: library management system. A library wants to manage its records in Salesforce. You need to create objects for book__C, member__C, and borrow__C. Set up the relationship so that a member can borrow multiple books. Master detail from borrow to member, and each borrow record is linked to a specific book. Look up from borrow to book. Design the entire structure visually using Schema Builder.